Yeah, I mean, I think the Montessori concept itself is not new for us as a parent. We've had two kids, and that older one also has gone to Montessori. So we sort of understand what the Montessori sort of does for an entire holistic development of a child. It's not just about sitting in front of the blackboard or like, just is sort of say like by hearting stuff. It is more about understanding of what day to day life will look like for them as a kid and for us as children as to how they're going to develop with the life skills. I think that's why Montessori becomes extremely important, and it's not a stressful environment at all. So
The,
yeah.
just to add to that, the kids are also learning to be independent from day one, and they try to do things on their own, which most of the working parents definitely want, or even otherwise. So I think one of the things for us to put her to Montessori.
It's colorful. As the logo has it, like, it's really colorful, and I think that brightens a child's mind. But no matter what structure that you have inside, it brightens a child's mind to see different colors as soon as they enter the school. It has a lot of greenery, and it has, like, I think, a lot of appropriate equipments that you would call it, for to run a very um, diverse environment, which is more Montessori based. So, I mean, these have all caught our attention the very first day that we entered to see the Montessori, Olivia Montessori itself. It has caught our attention in that way. So I think that's what makes you stand out.
Yes, you were completely transparent and honest, and that is one of the other reasons why we didn't have to go searching for other Montessori's or any other schools around us. So I think you ticked all the questions that we had in our checklist.
I think you gave us more information than what was needed, but that's always welcome. You know it better, I think. I think Anya was a very, she's like a let go, like very, I have a mind of my own sort of a child. I don't think like fit into the group right away. She would do her own stuff, do not join the circle time. And like a great deal of time was given to her and time was invested on her to understand that there are certain things that needs to be followed as one of the pupil of the class or the school. And I think now she sort of, not completely though, and but she falls into the circle time. I know she joins the yoga sessions, and I know she does activities other than paintings, which was the only activity she would do otherwise. So I think she has like picked up a lot of things in terms of doing the activities, but I think her personality also has beautifully crafted together with, like, family and the school support, in terms that once she upgraded to M2, she had a sort of understanding that she has to take care of M1. And I'm sure that has come in because, like, somebody from M3 has taken care of her, or like somebody older than her has taken care of her. So somewhere, like, naturally it has come into her that she is supposed to take care of the younger ones. And I think it's really striking to me to understand that, like, a 3-year-old would talk about taking care of a 2-year-old when she cannot take care of herself sometimes.
She looks forward to it
Yeah.
every day. So earlier it would be a problem or a task for us to wake her up and send her to school initially, at least. But in the last 9, 10 months, she looks forward to going to school. And on the days where the school is closed for whatsoever reason or over the weekends, she's like, I don't have school. What do we do today? So I think she looks forward to coming here because she has her own set of friends and she likes the environment. I would say one thing that I really cherish is Anya was not speaking, before the start of Olivia. Uh, but I think 2 months into the Montessori and looking at people, gelling with people or the kids around her, she started picking up, things, and she was able to comfortably pick up the language and talk, with confidence. So that for me has always been the memory that I associate with Olivia, because I used to tell people that, oh, she's close to 2.5, 3 now, and she's yet to talk on her own. Though she would use 2 to 3 words, and she would never frame a sentence or form a sentence. But 2 months or 3 months into the system, she's beautifully picked it up.
I think I have a little bit of different take than what Prashant does. Definitely, it has helped with her language and all that, but I think her confidence in self development. It's not one word, but this entire concept of confidence in her own development. Be it like helping me out with the kitchen, like like a 3-year-old helping me out in a kitchen. Why she wants to like take out the banana herself. She wants to cut the banana herself, like do the cucumber herself, and she'll come out to me to ask if I need help, if I am like really crumbled upon in the kitchen, whether grooming the house, putting out the clothes for drying, putting on her own shoes. I think these are really few things. Even if you don't need help, if somebody asks you, you'll be under a lot of relief. And she does that. So that is definitely the school environment. Is it more than 100%? I mean, I think like the fact that we've spoken for like what 5-6 minutes now,
Yeah.
like I think that's more than reasons why we would recommend it to anybody or like any child, whether it is their own child's development or like entire family's development. I think it supports all.
Yeah, and the staff is extremely courteous, and the way they take care of the kids, yeah, we feel 100% comfortable leaving our kid here.